Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode on your Huawei P60 Pro. For that, you want to go to your settings, go to display and brightness, and then go to dark mode here, and we can enable it all day. Just enable it, and now it changed to the dark mode. And then we can also say to schedule the dark mode. So we can say that it should start at like 8 tonight, and then it ends at 6 in the morning the next day. So tonight at 8 the dark mode would turn on, and then the light mode will appear again tomorrow at 6 in the morning. So these are the options you have. The dark mode will save you some battery. It is nicer for your eyes if you like under low light conditions, and it also just gives you a chic appearance. So then you can just go back and, well, enjoy your dark mode, or if you set a schedule, then enjoy it later. So that's how you can enable the dark mode on your Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.